heading into southern Illinois this morning. Here down at the southern tip of the state is a wine trail area, heading specifically to some vineyards, wineries, and an orchard in the Alto Pass area. Real pretty, kind of hilly. Looking forward to talking to some of the owners. I've talked to a couple of them already. They're excited about what I have to share. So taking off my carpenter hat this morning and putting on my salesman hat. Gonna go peddle my wares and see what happens. Hey everybody, I just got to tell you, made a first big transaction here with an awesome family orchard called Rendleman Orchards. They're up here just on the north side of Alto Pass in southern Illinois. Boy, a beautiful area, beautiful orchard, and super nice people to deal with. Come over and check out their market, man. I tell you, I'm gonna get myself in trouble if I hang out here any longer. We got all kinds of homemade jams, jellies, preserves, pickles, salsas, and all kind of good stuff. And they're having fun little festivals here almost every weekend in the month of October. Come check them out. Hey friends, feeling pretty good about this so far. Had a couple of nice visits with some of the wineries out there on the Shawnee Wine Trail in southern Illinois. So stick with us. You never can tell what we're going to be up to next.